Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to set up a VPN on any Android phone. There are two ways to do it. You can either install a VPN app or you can set it up manually in your phone settings. Most people use an app, but I'll show both options. First, for the manual setup, open your phone's settings. In the search bar, type VPN. Tap on the VPN option when it shows up. Then you'll see a screen with a list or an empty page. Tap on Add VPN or the plus icon. Now you'll see a form where you can enter the VPN details like name, server address, type, and other info. You can find this information online if you have a specific VPN provider. But if you don't have this info, then using an app is the easier way. Go to the Play Store and search for VPN. Choose a VPN app with good ratings. For example, download one like Turbo VPN or Thunder VPN. Open the app after installing. You might see an ad, but just wait a few seconds. Inside the app, pick a country you want to connect to. Then press Connect. Wait for it to say Connected. Once it connects, your internet is now running through the VPN. To confirm it's working, go back to your phone's VPN settings. You should see that a VPN is active. That's all you need to do to use a VPN on Android. Thanks for watching.